Okay, so here we are again, another day, hopefully another fix, and here I have an old massage machine apparatus, and this I recall I bought in Germany like maybe 25 years ago or something. It's Privileg. It's really nice because it have this long handle, so you can use it for your shoulders and arms, and this guy is not working anymore. Let's take a look inside. We have a small transformer here, gives 20 volts, 240 milliamps output. And the system is very simple. We have a motor, and here we have a piece of, I don't know, it's iron or anyway, a piece of weight. And that gives a kind of eccentric rotation movement. And that makes everything go out of linear movement and gives all those vibration needed for having the massage, All I can say that probably this metal here, it's not in the best shape anymore. It's got no bearings, evidently, and I believe that's the problem. That's the problem for sure, in fact. You see, it doesn't have power anymore. This is a very clear DC motor, and probably we have a kind of diodes, but you can see very clear this one have a huge momentum here. They have a huge movement. So this clearly shows that I don't know how I call this in English, but the one I have here, it's pretty okay in place. The one up here, it's so gone. Can we take this out? Of course we can. All right, look. Oh man, this is so rusty. I didn't mean rusty in the direct way or sense of the word. Lost, loose, gone. There are so many. Right screwdriver or the right tip for having the job done. And this is gone. This is so gone. Yeah. Okay, let's try another approach. The dilatation is doing the job. If not, I will just melt the plastic. Yes. Look here. It's really out of tune. Maybe I should try, and exactly what I'm gonna do, to take out this one and replace it with the front. It's a kind of iron. Because it's magnetic, it could be better to have bearings, but that's much more expensive. Okay, I'll be right back. I need some power tools. Here I am. So I got this in place. Now we should be okay. Perfect positioning. Can we give a try of some sort? I have my power supply around here. Kind of noisy, but working. You see, the way it's playing here, it's so funny. Now I have to check in between my motors to see maybe I can find a better solution of this. Let's see, maybe I can get a use of this. It's a 12-volt motor, obviously smaller, but maybe I can use some parts. So this is like 2 millimeters, and the other guy, it's like 2.2 millimeters. Okay. Oh, that sucks. Okay, nothing else to do, but you see, I just pushed a little bit this, how you call this, bushing in there, and hopefully that will keep for a while the motor spinning and working some kind. Okay, what is this? Come on. Yes, pretty tight. Almost perfect. Perfect. Everything looks fine. Oh, it's so tough. Of course, it's struggling. It's very tight and it's really getting hot. Yeah, okay. Go back. 2.3 millimeters. It's too much. Okay, I can try this. Yes, it's much better. Let's see. Perfect. We did it. The sound is much better. You know, it's taking like 70 milliamps. Yes, people, that's a success. Now, let me see if I can seal that somehow. And there are two. Yeah, that's a working motor. Once again. Now, let me clean with a little bit of alcohol this axle. I said this is the plus. Okay. Oh yeah. Now it's moving. Perfect. It's looking like a coil better than a diode, but we should have a diode because it's working in DC. The recurrent. So you already have DC over there. All right, so I don't mind. Maybe it's a rectifier inside here because the wires are coming into the handle. Some wiring. This wire should be long enough, but you know, I can also use these coils. They are also very good for having a kind of shunt. Okay, so it's done. I put back this in place, and now it's time to give a try, huh? Okay, let me keep this steady. So I can call this you know, this is really tough now. So it will be good for working for another years. So that's the infrared. Yeah, perfect. Well, that's a fix. You know, I really hope this was entertainment for you. Of course, it can be an idea how to fix things. And also, like always, if you consider, please subscribe, please like. So many times I said that before, be creative, be inventive, find solution about fixing things. And like I said, don't forget, have fun. This is very important. Okay, see you soon in some other projects. Bye bye.